Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Christy Lynn and we are getting things done today. I don't feel like it. I literally only got about 3 hours of sleep last night. I have a new baby. Well, she's 3 months old. I'm a first-time mom, so yeah, just trying to figure out life again. If you're new to my channel, that's a little bit about me. But today, I can't put things off any longer. I've just got to get to decluttering and cleaning, so I hope this video will be really motivational for you. What we're going to be doing today is tackling the baby's closet. I've just got too much stuff in there, and I am starting a process of downsizing belongings in this house. I'm actually thinking of starting like a decluttering series on my channel. Today is the beginning of that decluttering series or Becoming Minimalist series, and when I'm done, this house is going to be so clean that I'm not gonna have any stress anymore, at least not about that. So I hope you'll join me for this little journey, and I'm thinking about, I don't know if I'll do a video a week or how exactly I will do it, but basically what I want to motivate you all to do along with me is just do the thing you've been putting off. So I'm gonna take like a day a week and I'm just going to do one thing that I've been putting off, that I've been procrastinating on. So today that happens to be the baby's nursery. Or the baby's closet in the nursery. So if this interests you, get subscribed. Let me know if you'd like to see this made into a series and you want to see more videos like this. Otherwise, I'm just gonna get going. So let's get going. Okay, so this is our problem child right here. Here is her closet. And yeah, I'm just really tired of looking at it. So my husband and I downsized into this home. We moved from a big house into a little house a year ago, and we have too much stuff for this little house. And it's not what you might think. It's not like we have too much furniture or anything like that. It's just stuff. So we need to get rid of a lot of stuff. And honestly, part of the problem is we haven't furnished this house yet, and we're not going to go into debt to furnish it. That's why we downsized, was to get out of debt and have financial freedom. So yeah, we downsized. We don't have a ton of furniture. We have to actually furnish this home little by little. We're not going to go into debt to do it. So a big part of the clutter problem is nothing has a home in this house. So there's just stuff around because the stuff doesn't have anywhere to go. So part of the problem is that, and then the other part is just we just have too much stuff. Baby Evelyn just woke up from her nap, so she's gonna be my little helper. Are you ready to help Mama clean? Do you have any motivational advice to give us for cleaning? Not really? All right, well, let's put you down to play while Mama cleans. All right, baby Evelyn, she's under her play gym. She's gonna stay occupied for a little while. Okay, so as you can see behind me, it's pretty much empty. So the first thing I did is just emptied it out and removed everything, and now I'm going to figure out what I want to keep in there, just better organized, and what I want to either toss or donate. You can start small. You don't get overwhelmed by thinking you gotta do an entire room or nothing at all. I know I was feeling that way, and I honestly do feel overwhelmed a lot, but I really, just to encourage you, I didn't want to do this today. Like I said, I got like 3 hours of sleep last night, and I just didn't want to do it, but I decided I want to take a day a week and just do the thing that I've been putting off, work on downsizing, work on becoming more minimal. And so today I tackled the closet, and that's what I'm saying, like just tackle something small, even if it's just a cabinet or a drawer or a closet. It's all gonna help you get there. Okay, so I think we're looking at the finished product here. I'm really happy with how it came out. We definitely eliminated a lot, and I just like the open space that's going on. Nothing is too crammed together, but everything can breathe a little bit. So I got the stroller in, of course, the car seat, and the diaper bag. I think a better thing would be to hang like a hook here, but for now I don't have a hook, so I'm just gonna use a hanger. And got her carrier here, her boba wrap, some flour sack cloths and cloth diapers that I use for just getting at messes, some extra bedding. Here we've got some little some of her toys that I can put up away for in case the dog comes in here. He's not going to chew it up, so I can hide that from him. We have the car seat cover for winter, which we're kind of coming out of winter now, so probably can pack that away pretty soon. I have her bath little caddy, her Love Every subscription boxes, just for the last few months. These are just some keepsakes in here until I figure out what to do with them. We've got some cloth diapers that I may or may not be using. I've got my travel bag up there just in case, and then some extra blankets and bibs. Her next size up of clothing, the 6 to 9 months, just ready to go. And that is it. I'm pretty excited. Now I just have to figure out what to do with all the clutter I took out of it, but most of it's going to be donated or gotten rid of, or just gotten rid of. What do you think, Evelyn? What do you think? Is your closet looking better? I think so too. So that was interesting. I definitely, you know what, being on kind of a time crunch, having a baby, definitely makes you work fast. So I've never done some things in my life as fast as I do them now that I have a baby. But yeah, we got it done. And on to the next thing. So get subscribed if you're new. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this type of content. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!